myself, I'm never waking up to an alarm clock ever again. I don't wake up to an alarm clock. I go to sleep when my body tells me to go to sleep, and I wake up when my body tells me to wake up. And since then, I get about 5 hours of sleep.
Is that enough?
Most people would think it's not enough. Now, remember, Sam is the wellness guy who has data, right? So I don't get a midday crash. I don't need to caffeinate myself. Obviously, I'm taking all of my correct supplements. I'm doing my exercise. I'm eating the right nutrition. And for me, those 5 hours of sleep, based off my data, right, my sleep data, works for me. It's not going to work for everybody else. But again, I wake up when my body tells me to wake up. So